Hello friends, today I will tell you about the Experience Bank. We got the Experience Bank after 151 level. To check the Experience Bank, tap on your level. See here is 167 level. Tap on 167. Then we can see the Experience Bank. Here Experience Bank, we can collect the 80 tickets, 80 bonus ticket. You can see 80 bonus ticket after 4000 XPs. Here you can see on this star, tap on this star, and you can see the 1424 XP are remaining. Total was 4000 XP. So here are different things. Poodle card, we can collect the poodle cards, and behaves, different type of behaves. And here pet card, lucky box. See, here are different types of pet cards. 20 bonus tickets required for this. And again farmer lucky box. Here are these clean tickets and rainbow, super fertilizer, fire and OP also. And next is gardener lucky box. Here are different type of behaves. You can see here different types of behave and OP etc. And last one is decoration lucky box. Here are different types of decorations. Here this is the Experience Bank. You can got the Experience Bank after 151 level. So happy farming. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.